Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Timeline TV and you are welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, share and comment. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I prepared this yummy delicious Ogbono soup. So here guys, I have my meat in the pot. I added salt, seasoning, and now I just added my stockfish. I added my catfish. So guys, I allowed it to cook for like 10 minutes to bring out its own juice. And here I just put the oil in the pot. Now I'm adding my ogbono just to dissolve it. Yeah, I'm doing a double boiler here. So after dissolving this ogbono, it takes only 1 minute. Then I'll bring it down and transfer my pot back, and then yeah, so here I just transfer the pot back on the stove, and now I'll be adding water to cook. So after I added water, I added my prawn inside. Yeah, I didn't blend the prawn. Then I poured in my ogbono mix, yeah, and then stir. So here I'm adding egusi. In this video, I added egusi in the ogbono. Yeah, so I'll stir again and then allow it to cook before I added my crayfish. So once that is done, I covered it and allow it to cook again for another 2 minutes. Then I back again to add my seasoning, salt, pepper, and then I'll stir, guys. So our ogbono is almost done. It's so easy. So now I'll cover it again, allow it to cook for another few more minutes. Then I add my spinach. Guys, like I said before, do not forget to follow, click like, share, comment. So guys, our ogbono is ready. It's so fast, easy and delicious at the same time. Thank you all guys for watching. Do not forget to like, share and comment. Thank you. I had mine with oat swallow as usual. You guys know I love oats. Thank you all, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.
Cooking up yummy meals in the kitchen, chopping and mixing with a little finesse, serving up dishes that'll surely impress. Life's a vlog and we're living it full, sharing every moment, never dull. Recipes and laughter, it's the perfect blend. With each new episode, it's a trend we set. Welcome to Timeline TV. Come join the spree, where lifestyle and flavor meet naturally. From the first bite to the final view, authentic chef bringing joy to you. Morning routines and travel sites, city lights and cozy nights, exploring cultures taste so grand. Everywhere we go, it's a foodie's land. Timeline TV, whipping up dreams with a tasty twist. In every vlog, there's a dish you can't resist. Life on camera, cooking's our game.